At the trial of Senator Bob Menendez, cross-examination continues of one of the government's key witnesses in the alleged corruption case. Jose Uribe is back on the stand as the defense tries to prove to jurors that he can't be trusted when it comes to testimony about giving bribes to Senator Menendez and his wife. News 12 New Jersey's Chris Keating has the latest from the courthouse.
Defense attorneys have been taking their shots at Jose Uribe all day long. Their goal is to portray him to jurors as a liar. They contend the only reason that he's testifying at trial is simply to avoid a sentence that would put him in prison for the rest of his life. Jose Uribe has already told jurors that he had an arrangement with Nadine Menendez. If he paid for her $60,000 Mercedes, she'd grant him access to Senator Menendez. Uribe wanted the senator to stop an insurance fraud investigation into a friend, as well as his family's own insurance company. Help which Uribe said Menendez would give him. Concerning that car he paid for, the defense suggested Uribe only gave Nadine a loan, to which Uribe said the payment for the car was never a loan. Defense: that was a lie, correct? Uribe: that was never a lie. Attorneys for Menendez grilled him on past convictions that included insurance fraud, tax evasion, and wire fraud when trying to get a federal loan. Defense: you agree you've been committing frauds and other crimes for 13 years. The frauds you were running involved your family, your flesh and blood. The reference was to Uribe having his son Omar and then a close friend of the family, Anna Peguera, step in to run the company, Phoenix Risk Management, after Uribe lost his license. The defense was trying to show Uribe was putting family at risk. At another time, the defense said, your crimes often involve lying. Fair to say when your family is in trouble, there's nothing you wouldn't say? Uribe stated, I have lied in the past to protect my family. Defense attorneys have stated the senator has not taken any bribes, suggesting in 2018, when Uribe made the arrangement with Nadine, she and the senator were broken up, and that Menendez meetings with Uribe were simply constituent work. But prosecutors say Menendez was in at it all, and Nadine was the conduit, which is why they've charged the senator with bribery, fraud, and obstruction. In Manhattan Federal Court, I'm Chris Keating, News 12 New Jersey.